Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be continuing with the expanded form and the standard form in the exponents and power. So I have taken a problem. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. Now here let me explain. So the first one is 279404. Now here you need to write an into expanded form. Now what you are going to do is, now you have learned in the earlier classes, you are going to see the place value, it is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So here you are going to expand by seeing the place value. So 2 is in lakhs place. So 2 into 1 followed by 5 zeros plus 7 into 10,000, 1 followed by 4 zeros plus 9 into 1000, that is 1 followed by 3 zeros, 4 into 100, 1 followed by 2 zeros, and 0 is in tens place, so we can take it as 0, plus 4 is in ones place, so 4 into 1. So this you might have learnt in the earlier classes. So here we are going to write these 10, 10,000, 10, 10,000, 100,000, these all in the power base form. So here we are going to write this 1 lakh by using an exponent. So 2 into 1 followed by 5 zeros. So this can be written as, let me explain. Now this 10 is nothing but 10, here 10 you have only 1 0. So this can be written as 10 to the power of 1. So it is 10. Now 100 can be written as 10 into 10. So you are multiplying 2 times and you got 100. So this can be written as 10 square. In the same way, 1000. 1000 is obtained by multiplying 10 into 10 into 10. So 10, 1 followed by 3 zeros. So you can simply write 10 to the power of 3. So here 1 lakh can be written as 10 to the power of 5 plus, now you need to count the zeros and you can write the power. So 7 into 10 to the power of 4 zeros, so 4 plus 9 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 4 into 10 square. So 0 you can neglect. So 4 into 1. Instead of 1 you can also write 10 to the power of 0. 10 to the power of 0 is nothing but 1. Already I explained you, any number to the power of 0 is 1. So because we are writing in exponent form, so we can even express this as 10 power 0. So let me explain the second one. 3006194. So here also same process, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. Now here 3 into, now in which place it is? It is in 10 lakhs place. So 1 followed by 6 zeros plus 0. 0 is in lakhs place, so you can neglect this. 0 is you have one more 0, that is in 10,000s place, you can neglect it and you can write 6 into, now 6 is in thousands place, so this can be written as 6 into 1000, that is 1 followed by 3 zeros. Now here 1 is in hundreds place, so this is 1 into 100, that is 1 followed by 2 zeros plus, now it is 9. 9 is in tens place, So 9 into 10 plus, now 4 is in 1's place. So that is 4 into 1. Now let me write in a exponent form. 3 into, now 1 followed by 6 zeros. So 10 to the power of 6 plus, now here 6 into 1 followed by 3 zeros, that is 10 cube plus, now here 1 into 1 followed by 2 zeros. So 10 square plus 9 into 10. So 10 to the power of 1 plus 4 into 1. So 1 is nothing but I can write 10 to the power of 0. Yes. So let me explain the next one. 2806196. Now the first line you might have learned from the primary classes, but here this one you are learning when you are learning exponents, because here you are raising it to the power. So same thing to be followed. 2 into, it is in ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs place. So 1 followed by 6 zeros plus 8 is in lakhs place. So 8 into 1 followed by 5 zeros plus, here 0 is in 10,000 place, so you can neglect. Now 6 is in thousands place. 6 into 1000, that is 1 followed by 3 zeros plus 1 is in hundreds place. So 1 into 1 followed by 2 zeros plus 9 is in tens place. So 9 into 10 plus 6 is in ones place. Yes. So let me write in exponential form. 2 into, now 1 followed by 6 zeros. So I can write it as 10 to the power of 6 plus 8 into 1 followed by 5 zeros. So 10 to the power of 5 plus 6 into 1 followed by 3 zeros. So 10 cube plus 1 into 1 followed by 2 zeros. So 10 square plus 9 into 10 to the power of, it's only 1 zero, so write 1 plus 6 into 1 can written as 10 to the power of 0. Yes. So hope you have understood the expanded form. Let me explain the standard form. So the next problem is express the following numbers in standard form. Now before we have learned the expanded form, now we are going to learn the standard form. So first let me explain what is standard form. Now standard form in this, the number should be between 1.0 to 10.0. So the numbers you have to express in this way. For example, I can write 3 into 10 to the power of 5. Now 3 in the sense it is 3.0 into 10 to the power of 5. Yes, if at all you have 37 into 10 to the power of 8. Now this should be converted. Now this one you need to make a fraction, convert this into decimal fraction. Now how to convert? It is divide this 37 by 10. So you are going to get 3.7. So this 10 it should be added over here and you are going to get 3.7 into 10 to the power of 9. So I'll just explain. So if it is 3.7 into 10 to the power 9, so I can convert this into 37 by 10 into 10 to the power of 9. Now because you have a 10 here and this one will be cancelled, and you are going to get it is 37 into 10 to the power of 8. The value is not going to change, but only thing is I am just converting into standard form, because in standard form the value should be between 1.0 to 10.0. It should not exceed this 10. Now let me explain the first one. Now here 5 followed by 7 zeros. Now I am going to write in expanded form 5 into 1 followed by 7 zeros. So 1 followed by 7 zeros. So that is nothing but 1 2 3 comma 1 2 comma 1. So it is 7 is nothing but 1 crore. So this can be written as 5 into 10 to the power of, there are 7 zeros, so I can write 10 to the power of 7. So this is standard form, and do remember the value of 5 is between the range, that is the range is 1.0 to 10.0. So 5 is in between, so this is the standard form of that. Now next, second one, 7 followed by 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now here first let me write the expanded form, 7 into 1 followed by 6 zeros. So it is nothing but 1 2 3 1 2, it is 10 lakhs. So it is 7 into, now 1 followed by how many zeros? It is 6 zeros. So I can write it as 10 per 6, and see here it is 7 and it is within the range. Now let me take the third one, 3908.78. Now here you have a decimal number, so you need to write in standard form. Now what to do? Now first, normally you will be writing, if it is only 3908, you will be writing 3 into 1000 plus 9 into 100 plus 8 into 1. But here you have a decimal number and this is not in the range of this. Now I need to convert this into a number which is in between this range. Now I'll just explain that part. 3908.78. Now I need to decrease the number. Now how to decrease? I can divide this number. Now I want 3 point. So how many places the point has should be moved? 1 2 3. So the point has to be shifted front to 3 points, 3 places, to make the number within the range. So let me divide this fraction, 3908.78. I am dividing with 1000. Now whenever you are dividing, so the point will shift. Dividing in the sense nothing but you are dividing the problem. Yes, when you divide, so what when you divide any number, the value get decreased. So here the value will decrease 1000 times, that is 1 2 3. So that is nothing but you are going to get 3.90878. Now if you want, you can check. Now 1000 divided, now number is divided by 1000, that is 3908.78. Now here 1000 will go in 3 times, that is 3000. So when you subtract, you are left with 809 and here 0. Now this is a smaller number. You can't divide with 1000. So what I'll do is I'll take a decimal point and I'll join a 0 over there. Now why can't I take here directly 7? Because you have a decimal point and this value is decreased value of this. So now, so how many times does it go? It goes 9 times. So it is 9000. When you subtract, you are left with 0, 8. Now you can take this 7 down, but still it is smaller number. Now you need to, already you have a decimal point, you need to skip this place. So take 0 time, and so because you have taken 0, 2 digits at a time. Whenever you take 2 digits at a time, you should add a 0. So take 8. Now 1008 is 8000. So when you subtract, you are left with 78. Now because this is a smaller number, anyway you have a decimal point here, you can add 0. So 1 0 is not enough, take one more 0. Now it is 7, that is 7000. Subtract, when you are left with 800. So add 1 0 and you are going to get 1008 is 8000, and when you subtract, you are going to get 0 remainder. So instead of all this process, I have just shifted 3 places. So 3 places in the sense it is 1000. So this is nothing but 3.90878. Now how many places you have shifted? You have shifted to, so earlier it was here, 3 places I have shifted. So it is 10 to the power of 3. Yes. So here I have just decreased this and made it into exponential form. So if you have an idea of decimal fraction, you will be able to understand this. If not, in the next video I will be uploading the decimal fractions. You can go through it once. So this is simply converting the number into smaller degree by dividing with 10 multiples. Yes. Hope you have understood my teaching. If you have understood, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.